When I make fries like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. I'll start by cutting up 3 potatoes. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. Add salt to taste. Put a little oil in a pan. Add the potatoes to fry. Let them fry until golden brown. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Remove the potatoes and set aside. Add a tablespoon of butter to the pan. Let the butter melt. 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Sauté the garlic for a minute. Add 1/4 green bell pepper. 1/4 yellow bell pepper. Sauté for another 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Paprika to taste. Black pepper to taste. Mix everything together very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. Add the potatoes. Add 4 hard-boiled eggs. I'll mix everything together. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. Add chives to taste. Mix again. This potato recipe will surprise you, it's very tasty. Grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Cook until the cheese has melted. And our recipe is ready. A delicious potato recipe that you can make at home. Now I'm going to enjoy this recipe. The potatoes are very tasty. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.